In this video, we will show you how to change Facebook page name. Okay, in 2025, maybe you are confused how you can change Facebook page name. When you click edit button here, there is no option to change your Facebook page name. Okay, then how you can change your name on Facebook page? First, you need to click settings. Okay, click settings here, and we suggest you are using Facebook on desktop version. If you are using Android or iPhone or another smartphone, you can just using Google Chrome and view as desktop on the Chrome settings. Okay, after you click settings here, you can scroll down and go to audience and visibility here and click pick setup. Okay, just click pick setup. After that, click name here. After you click name, there is two options. You can change the Facebook page name or Facebook page username. Because we want to change the Facebook page name, just click this edit. After you click edit, you can give or change your Facebook page name here. After that, you can click review change. Okay, there are rules about names that maybe is valid. Okay, for example, here you cannot using name variation with Facebook or another Meta product here. Okay, you cannot also using terms or price that may be abusive or violate someone's rights. Okay, the words official is also forbid here. Okay, after you click review change, you can only change again after 60 days. So be careful before you change your Facebook page name here. Be careful because if you false give the name, you can only change after 60 days. Okay. And we suggest you also, if you change the Facebook page name, you need to also change the username. This is for search engine optimizations. So you need to change this also, if not identical with your Facebook page name. And that's all tutorial how to change Facebook page name in 2025. Okay. And if you have any question, you can fill up in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.